Hello children, how are you? I hope you all are fit and fine. Children, today I am going to you explain to study the structure of a stamen. I told you in the previous video that what is a stamen. Stamen is the male part of a flower. It is the male part of flower and all the stamens are called what? Androecium. All the stamens collectively called androecium, and it is made up of what? It is made up of two parts, one thread like structure that is called filaments, and above of the filament there is a bilobed sac is present, that is called what? That is called anther. Inside this you can see this structure is called anther. Beta, inside the anther yellow color powdery structure is present which is called pollen grain. These pollen grains are were present in the pollen sac. This whole structure is called anther. This is called filament. Okay, and inside the anther there are four pollen sac, and inside the pollen sac pollen grains are present which are yellow in color. It is present here in a form of like powder. So first of all what we have to do, aim. Our aim is what? हमारा उद्देश्य क्या है, हमारा aim क्या है? To study the structure of a stamen. So for it children, I have one flower to show you. Beta, see, I have this flower to show you. First of all, that you can see this structure is called what? Pedicel. This structure is called pedicel. It is the stalk from where it is attached to the stem. You can see in this video. See, these are the flower. This is the pedicel. This is the pedicel, and it is this pedicel is attached to the main stem. Okay, so this is what? This is the pedicel, this green structure. Okay, after then children, you can see the outside this green color structure. This one green structure you can see present. This green structure is called sepal. So to study the anther, first of all we have to remove the sepals. Okay, so let me remove it. Okay, now beta what comes? This green part is this bright color part which is orange in color. This bright part of flower is called what? Petal, and all the petals are joined with each other. So we will remove this petal because inside the petal anthers are present. You can see beta now clearly. See, in the after petals all these are what? All these structure is called this one is called what? Stamen. So stamen I will keep here on the paper so that you can understand it clearly. And this one is what? This was present in the center, and it is what? It is gynoecium or the pistil. Okay, so pistil I am keeping here. This is the female part of the flower, and all these how many these are in number? These are 4 in number. 1 2 3 4. So I will remove it and arrange it here. Okay, so these beta all are what? These all are stamens. How many these are? 1 2 3 and 4. You can see now stamens, this filament like structure. This is what? This is its filament. Okay, and this structure upside, this is what? Anther. And inside the anther, what is formed? What pollen grains are formed. So this is the structure of a stamen. Okay, now beta, on the second activity, we will study the structure of a gynoecium. We will study the structure of a gynoecium or an ovary. So we will take two complete flower of same type, but here just I am showing you this part is what? Gynoecium or pistil. And beta, see, you can see here this swelling part, this swollen part is called what? Ovary. Okay, this long structure is called style, and this up one tip is called what? Stigma. So inside the ovary, what are present? Inside the ovary, ovules are present. This is the structure of what? Gynoecium or pistil, or the female part of a plant. Okay, so beta, now you understood, I think, what are stamen. Stamen structure you can see. This one are bilobed structure which is called anther, and this one is the filament. Okay, this is beta stamen or the androecium, and it is the male part of a flower. Okay, and this one you now can see clearly. This is what? Ovary. This is thalamus. This is pedicel. This long structure in the center, it is called style, and up one you can see, this is what? This is called, this one, this is called stigma. So I hope you understood beta, everyone. Okay, so if any doubt or question you have, you can ask from me in the next video. Okay, so till then, take care. Bye children.